Sugar and spice, give you everything that's nice. Come on, sugar and spice. What you want from me, baby? What you want now? Sugar and spice, give you everything that's nice. Turn around and tell me what I'm missing now. 아주 멋쟁이 넌 아주
Hey girl, hey, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today's video is all about some new hair that I did get from YWigs. So let's jump right into it. So I started off with freshly washed hair. My hair is cut into a pixie, or more like a bixie. So yeah, that's why it's short right now. But I'm gonna blow it out and stretch it so we can get ready for this half braided, half crochet style. So to get started, I did separate my hair in the front, and then I did a curved part on the side. And you want to make sure you do this on the opposite side where you want your bang. So yeah, just make sure you do a curved part on the opposite side. Then I went ahead and added some grease into my parted area, and I made sure to grease my scalp all the way around in all of my parts. I also used some pink oil to moisturize my hair and the ends of my hair, and I also used some Luxe edge control for braiding down my braids. You don't have to do this necessarily, but I do it because my hair is pretty short. Like I said, it's cut into a bixie. So I did do 2 braids going across the nape of my neck, and then I just started doing braids going straight down along the side, and I just kept that braid pattern going all the way across the back of my head, and I just interlocked the last braid to the new braid that I was doing, and just continued that pattern all the way around. And now that I'm getting to the front, I'm going to separate out the area that I want for my bang and the area that I want for the design that goes towards the back of my head. So this area is the bang, and then this side is the area that's braids are gonna go towards the back of my head. So I'm just gonna take out some baby hairs and some sideburns, and then go ahead and get started with these cornrows, which are going to go in the direction towards the back of my head. And then the cornrows that are at the top are going to be more like a bang that comes down in the front of my face. When doing these cornrows, this is going to be more of the miracle knot style, so don't braid all the way down, because you are going to have to add a piece of crochet hair at the bottom of each of these braids. So don't braid all the way down to the end. You're just going to have to take it loose. So now I'm getting started on the bang section. This section is always pretty hard when you're braiding on yourself, because you are braiding like the opposite way. I don't know, it's really hard for me to do, but I always just struggle through it. Yeah, use your edge control. Try to make the parts as neat as possible. Again, braiding your own braids is not easy, so I always give myself a little bit of grace with the parts. So I am using hair from YWigs. Huge shout out to them for sending this over. It's their 12-inch water wave, and it's perfect for the short bob style. So if you want to save some money but still get good quality, high quality hair that is human, you can go ahead and get the 12-inch in the human hair, save you some money, and still be able to get a really cute style. So like I said, you want to just braid this into the end of the hair, just one braid, one piece of crochet hair, and then you just rubber band it around to hold it in place. You can dip your rubber bands in some oil so that they're not too dry and they don't break your hair. So then I go ahead and add 2 crochet pieces on each of these cornrow braids. One at the base of the cornrow, one at the middle of the cornrow, and one at the end. So with all the pieces added to the cornrows, now it's time to fill it into the crochet area. So now I'm just going to start adding crochet pieces to where everywhere you see these cornrow braids. And once that's done, just cut the style into a bob, moisturize the curls, add some mousse so that they pop, and let them dry. Very simple style, pretty quick and easy to do. Doesn't take a lot of hair and definitely takes a more affordable type of hair. I'll leave links to all this hair down below. Feel free to ask me any questions in the comments down below as well, and I will leave links to this hair in the pinned comments. So now that everything is installed, I'm going to go ahead and use my water spray bottle, some styling mousse, and my detangling brush. This detangling brush is amazing. It's basically like the Unbrush, but this one is by Red by Kiss. You can grab it on Amazon. All the products can be grabbed on Amazon. I'll tag them here in the video as well as link them in the description down below so you can check out these products. But I absolutely love this brush, and yeah. So then I went ahead and added some hairspray to my cornrows as well as some oil sheen spray, and I went ahead and did my baby hairs and my makeup, and that's pretty much the end of the video. Highly recommend this hair. If you have questions, leave it down below and I'll be sure to get back to you, and I'll leave links to the hair as well.